हेडमास्टर्स एसोसिएसनको सहयोगमा दार्जिलिङ पुलिसले रोकिने छैन शिक्षा अभियान अन्तर्गत आज 120 जना विद्यार्थीहरूलाई मोबाइल फोन प्रदान गर्यो। दार्जिलिङको गोर्खा रङ्गमञ्च भवनमा भएको एक कार्यक्रममा आज नै 9औं र 10औं श्रेणीका विद्यार्थीहरूलाई फोन प्रदान गरिएको हो। यस अवसरमा उत्तर बङ्गालका पुलिस आइजी डीपी सिंह, दार्जिलिङका पुलिस अधीक्षक डाक्टर एस निम्बालकर आदिको विशेष उपस्थिति रहेको थियो।
IG Malda sir, Superintendent of Police Darjeeling, the team of Darjeeling Police, respected teachers, headmasters of Darjeeling District, and dear students. It is privilege as well as my pleasure to be amongst you. In fact, I relish being in the midst of students because I understand they are the future of our country, more so in Darjeeling. I congratulate Darjeeling Police for achieving three things in their endeavor. First is de-addiction. Drugs is the biggest menace. It not only affects a person but also his family. It takes away his ability to earn and to become something in his life. So this is our endeavor, not only to arrest criminals or to bust rackets of drug peddlers, but also wean away the youth from this deadly menace. In that direction, Darjeeling Police has also taken this initiative of developing a very strong community bond in terms of organizing sports events. I congratulate particularly the Superintendent of Police who with his own initiative has started volleyball tournaments, football tournaments and other activities which not only takes away the youth from the drugs but also helps them building strong bodies and minds. And third important thing, during this corona period, we all know that we have suffered losses, more so in Darjeeling, where everything depends on tourism. And the biggest loss is to the students who have not only lost their parents have lost the means of earning livelihood, but also an opportunity to live a normal life and attend schools. It is a great initiative of connecting people, connecting children by the process of digitization. Providing mobile phones is a great initiative. It's a small equipment, but it brings great change. It ensures that the children of Darjeeling are strengthened. They are not left behind. They are at equal footing to the students who study in private schools. It is a very sensitive thing. It's a very heart-touching thing that all the children are brought into the digital fold. I congratulate Darjeeling Police again for this initiative and for the guidance of IG sir for being with us today and to make this event a success. I'm sure that in future also all the schools will take a clue from this and will connect digitally further. Not only this, we have also started an initiative of connecting with the schools where we interact with the students and motivate them for career prospects in civil services and how to face interviews and examination after their graduation. I hope so with this mobile initiative And further such initiatives in digital media will be able to connect and make our youth more stronger to face the challenges of the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. On the dais, respected IG sir, DP Singh sir. In his name itself, there is a DP, that means Darjeeling Police. Sir was SP here for 2 years, and still the people of Darjeeling reminds his name, whatever he had done here. DIG Malda sir, these three are, I will say that these are three super cops. They have in their SP ship, sir, for example, DIG Malda sir, sir was in Jangal Mahal, and during Maoist operations he had also got a gallantry award there also. And drug de-addiction, that is the brainchild of sir also. Sir has started in Kolkata Police. I have taken that from here and I have implemented here. DIG Darjeeling Race sir, Amit Javalgi sir, he was also here SP for 2 years. During his time, he had started giving guidance to the competitive exam, students of competitive exams, and he had went to the villages and he had taught regarding this. So from sir also we have taken this initiative regarding guidance to the students. We are having 5,000 students in WhatsApp groups in Darjeeling, where we are giving the employment, whatever employment opportunities are there in the group, whatever new advertisements are giving, and guidance also we are giving. So I will thank Vikram. He is always with us for any endeavor, like recently Pahad drug free, that virtual run also we have arranged with the help of him, and Teachers Association here. Thank you very much. Without your support, this initiative would not have been completed. This smartphone, actually Honorable CM Madam has already started this initiative for class 11 and 12. That's why we have chosen for 9th and 10th. And this COVID time, as we have seen, these 2 years online education has increased. And during our discussion also we saw that from poor family there are three children they are having, so they are having one phone. So others too, they are not able to use it. So it pains us, because we are having money, so we can get the mobiles as well, laptop, but the poor students, they are not, so their education suffers. That's why we thought of this initiative. IG sir actually he told us about this initiative and we have started this. So there is also internet connectivity problem. We have talked with the internet providers also. They will also solve this problem by putting their towers in remote areas also. I would thank also the welfare society, our police welfare group, because they have said, I said ki 1 day salary we want. They immediately raised their hand. They have given the 1 day salary, and through 9 lakh rupees we are able to give this to you. So I will also request all of you to guide us and take help from us regarding the study material providing. We can use our civic volunteers in the police stations for any help which is required by you. So Darjeeling Police is always with you. We will be with you forever at your service. So I will read one last poem regarding this uniform, regarding this khaki. We are always indebted and we are always in the service of you people. There is one poem. दिन हूँ, रात हूँ, सांझ वाली बाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. आंधी में, तूफान में, होली में, रमजान में, देश के सम्मान में, अडिग कर्तव्यों की अविचल परिपाटी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. तैयार हूँ मैं हमेशा ही तेज धूप और बारिश हंस के सह जाने को, सारे त्योहार सड़कों पे भीड़ के साथ मनाने को, पत्थर और गोली भी खाने को, मैं बनी एक दूजी माटी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. विघ्न विकट सब सह कर भी सुशोभित सज्जित भाती हूँ, मुस्काती हूँ, इटलाती हूँ, वर्दी का गौरव पाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ। तब मैं प्रकाश हूँ, कठिन वक्त में आस हूँ, हर वक्त तुम्हारे पास हूँ। बुलाओ मैं दौड़ी आती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ। भूख और थकान की क्या बात, कभी आहत हूँ, कभी चोटिल हूँ, और कभी तिरंगे में लिपटी रोती सिसकती छाती हूँ। मैं खाकी हूँ। शब्द कहीं पाया कुछ भी, आत्मकथा मैं बाकी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
विशेष दार्जिलिङ पुलिसको इनिसिएटिभमा इन कोलाबोरेसन विथ जिटिए हेडमास्टर्स एसोसिएसनमा पुलिस डिपार्टमेन्टले जुन यो कार्य गर्यो यो अति नै सराहनीय कार्य गर्यो र हामी यो स्कुल शिक्षा सम्बन्धी हामी चाहिँ ग्राउन्ड लेभलमा हुनाले हामीले धेरै प्रब्लमहरू फेस गर्यौँ। एउटा घरमा 3-4 जना नानी छ, एउटा फोन छ, अनि ती विद्यार्थीहरूमाझ पनि झगडा भएको एउटाले लाने अर्कोले चलाउने त्यस्तो प्र्याक्टिकल इक्जाम्पल्सहरू हामीमा छ। अनि हामीले यो विषयमा दार्जिलिङ पुलिससँग सल्लाह गऱ्यौँ अनि दार्जिलिङ पुलिसले जुन इनिसिएटिभ लियो यो चाहिँ अति नै सराहनीय कार्य हो। यसको जति नै प्रशंसा गरे पनि सायदै कम होला र आज त्यो जुन एउटा समस्या थियो त्यो समस्यालाई ओभरकम गर्नको निम्ति नानीहरू एकदमै खुसी छ। उनीहरूले त्यो मोबाइल फोन पाएर अबदेखि अनलाइन क्लास जो सुरु हुँदैछ त्यसको निम्ति चाहिँ यो यसलाई एउटा थप ऊर्जा प्रदान भएको हामी महसुस गर्दछौँ। हामीले योभन्दा अघि पनि हेऱ्यौँ प्रधानमन्त्री नरेन्द्र मोदीको जुन थियो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान र मेरो एउटा विद्यार्थीले मेरो एउटा मर्निङ स्पिच हुन्छ उसकोमा त्यो स्पिचमा उसले के भन्यो भनेदेखिलाई यो स्वच्छ अभियान मलाई साह्रै ठुलो शब्द लाग्दैन। हरेक 130 करोड भारतीय नागरिकको प्रत्येकको मनमा यदि मानसिकता स्वच्छ छ भनेदेखिलाई यसै भारतै स्वच्छ भएर जान्छ। अनि यसरी नै दार्जिलिङ पनि हामी सबैको मन स्वच्छ हुनुपर्छ र दार्जिलिङलाई क्लिन राख्नुको लागि यदि मेरो मन स्वच्छ छ मैले केही हदसम्म दार्जिलिङलाई स्वच्छ गर्नु चाहे भनेदेखिलाई हरेक नागरिकले यो सोचाइ छ भने दार्जिलिङ यसै पनि स्वच्छ भएर जान्छ। अनि स्वच्छ दार्जिलिङको जुन मानसिकता छ सायदै यो एडुकेसनमा पनि जोडिन्छ। अनि म एउटा विद्यार्थीको रूपमा छु भनेदेखिलाई मेरो सोचाइ मेरो समाजप्रतिको योगदान मैले अति नै त्यो सोचेर एउटा स्वच्छ विचार छ भनेदेखिलाई यो स्वच्छ दार्जिलिङ र शिक्षासँग पनि अलिकति सम्बन्ध छ जस्तो चाहिँ हामीलाई लाग्छ।